In this episode, I'll be fixing Misty Lady's yellow and faded headlights. And I will show you how you can do this yourself at home and improve the light intensity and the overall look of your car going from this to this. So the first thing to do is to thoroughly wash the front end of your car and degrease it. Regular dish soap will do. Next, mask around the headlight with a masking tape to protect the paint from sandpaper. Now we're going to wet sand the headlight with 600 grit sandpaper first. We are doing this in order to remove the yellow haze from the headlights. Make sure to apply a lot of water on the sandpaper and the headlight itself. First, start with circular motions and then linear motions, applying medium and even pressure throughout the whole headlight for 1 to 3 minutes, until the whole surface is faded and smooth. Regularly reapply water to the headlight. If the tape is peeling off, dry up the headlight and retape the edges. Now move up to 800 grit sandpaper and repeat the process. We move up the gradation to remove the heavier scratches from the previous sandpaper. Then we move up to 1200 grit. And then 2000 grit sandpaper. Now after all this sanding, you'll visibly see the yellow haze has disappeared. Now the headlights should be matte white and they have a very smooth texture. Next step is to polish them to remove the fine scratches and restore clarity. Here I'm going to use a drill attachment with a compound foam pad. Now mind you, you can polish the headlights by hand with just the pad itself, but the process is going to take much longer, so the little drill attachment is a great investment and you can save a lot of time. And I'll be using Meguiar's Ultra Cat compound to get rid of the deeper scratches. First, apply the compound to the pad and then on headlight itself. Then go to town applying medium to light pressure. Keep moving the drill so you don't overheat the headlight surface. Now you can clearly see a big improvement after the first pass. You might need to repeat the process if the headlight is still too foggy. Wipe off the excess compound with a clean microfiber towel. Next, I'm going to change the pad to a softer polishing pad and use Meguiar's Ultra Finishing Polish. Wipe off the headlight from the excess polish. Now the last step, I'm going to use Turtle Wax's original wax and a very soft waxing pad and apply a layer on the headlight. After 10 minutes, once the wax is dry, rub it off with a clean microfiber towel and remove the tape. Now let's move back to the garage and do the same thing for the other headlight. So, from the top, tape it off, 600 grit, 800 grit, 1200 grit, 2000 grit, compound, polish, and finally wax. And here is the final result. And here's 1 month later. Now you can see that the headlights still have a very good clarity and look amazing. But bear in mind, this process is not permanent, so if where you live the sun is quite intensive, you might need to repeat this process. But other than that, here is how you restore your car's headlights. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. I will have links in the description below for all the things I'm using in this video. You want to watch more videos like this? Click one of the cards appearing right here. Once again, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.